Hey guys, today we're back in Novena District 11 where we have a 4-bedder that's freehold on a single floor plate of 2,508 square feet, coming online for just 3.38 million. Everyone, this is Mandalay Tower. So if you pull up the map, you'll see that we're in the central part of Singapore in Novena planning boundary and Balestier subzone with a population of 32,450 residents. So the project was completed in 1974, is of freehold tenure, houses 56 units up to the 16th floor. Okay, so before we head up to the unit, let me just give you a little bit of orientation around the surrounding. So this is just outside the condo and we're really along this stretch where if you're going down, you're going to see Balestier and the whole stretch over there. If you flip this around, you're going to see headed uphill, you will go into the Novena area, and this is where the Novena medical sector is all at. So let's head back in, I'll bring you to the unit, I'll give you a little bit of the stats. Hey, so let me just show you around the place. Before we begin, let's go to the floor plan to give you a little bit of understanding. So as soon as you come through the door, you've got the living room, which is humongous, then the dining. Behind you have a kitchen and 2 stores, plus an open balcony, plus a WC. Then all 4 bedrooms come with ensuite bathrooms. So this is really a super rare unit because it's smack in the middle of Balestier and Novena, and then you have all this humongous space. Just check this out. This is the living room that's so wide. You've got windows over here that can really open up. There's a small area over here that you can close up if you like. The main door is over here, small nook. Then there's a step up, and once you step up, you'll start to realize that all the flooring is super beautiful white marble, which is very rare to come by, and the whole living room is laid with it. There's an extended dining space over here that you can fully do up. So this is really like a blank canvas because this is coming off a very long tenancy and the owner just took it back, painted the whole place up. So if you're looking for a fixer-upper that you can really do all your renovations, don't have to tear down much stuff, it's going to be very interesting for you. Let's go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen right now, and you can see that it has so much space. It's really very generous because you have a huge counter over here and it's all like a very blank canvas. You can really do all the reconfiguration of the structure if you like. Just follow me down here and you see that you have a store, but this can really be converted into a helper's room. There's even an AC provided over here already. Then this balcony has like this open access where you can do your outdoor laundry. The WC is right over here. Then if you're asking me what is this door, this actually leads you out to the side exit, which is basically a stairway that brings you up and down this whole stack. Now let me show you the bedrooms. We're coming back through here. Watch your step. Coming down into a hallway. And let's go into bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 has an abundance of space, plus it has this angular bathroom, which is ensuite bathroom. So if you're having a big family and everybody wants a big room, then this is a house that you're going to be interested in, because let me just show you. I wasn't kidding when I said all the room sizes are really generous. Check this out. Huge room, bed can go here. You've got shelvings put in here. You don't like them, change them up. You've got carpentry, all already provided for you with display vanity. If you wanted to just rip off the laminate and just overlay, that will save you a lot of money. And then voila, ensuite bathroom. We've got 2 more right over here towards the end of the house. They're just kind of side by side this way. Let's go into this one first. Good size L wardrobe for this one. And then let's have a look. So basically the distance towards your neighbor is not that very close. You still got a little bit of green view going down, and I would say there's cross ventilation because there's natural light coming through. Let's go into the master bedroom. Oh my god, this is a humongous room. Check it out. All this space, you can basically configure your bed wherever you like. You can even put in wardrobes all hugging the wall, walk-in wardrobe if you would like. Right, a dresser. This is ample space for you to put in a study, isn't it? Then right behind you, ensuite bathroom that you can configure to however you like. So if you're looking at food and grocers, then the closest is Fair Price Shore Plaza, which is currently under construction, and you have a whole stretch of eateries just by the roadside. And if you're thinking about schools, then you have Balestier Hill Primary, St. Joseph Institution Junior within 700 meters radius. So if you've fallen in love with this home, then hit us up. We'll be more than happy to bring you here, bring in interior designers if you need those contacts, and really hook you up with this space. I'm Nick Tan, Selling Singapore, and I'll see you in the next video.